Gold and silver both have started the week with a recovery. Both have given a gap up and has consistently traded bullish. Now, what to expect today? How we can profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Thus, watch that as well. Like, share, subscribe, and comment, and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till those who have watched my weekly review for gold, what we have seen here that this was the sharp drop. It would like to retrace and perfectly gold has continued on the up move today. Now, can we consider this as reversal? Let's have a detailed look on the hourly charts. You can see these two candles perfectly getting reversed from the level from where we have seen the rise last week. Though the earlier levels from where the rally started are situated at around 2330, 2320 zone. Thus, I will still not say that it is a reversal, but yes, a recovery cannot be denied. A little retracement cannot be denied. How far? First, if you see it is staying at 2366, you can buy here. We can expect it to move towards 2372-75 zone and then 2380-84 zone. That is one level which is definitely can be achieved. But then 2400 is the biggest hurdle for gold here on the upside. Let me also turn on the indicators. If you look at the indicators here, you will find the moving averages have started to converge. And you can say the 50 period here, the 20 period here, and the median of the Bollinger Bands here at 2375. So this makes 2365 to 75 is as a greater resistance zone here for gold on the upside. If you look at a stochastic, this is running flat. Why it is retracing? MACD was trading with extreme bearishness. It is trying to converge. Remember, it has not yet crossed over. And even if it crosses over, that will be treated as a retracement. You can say the slope here is a bit sharper. It can retrace gradual and then reverse. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour charts, similar observation here. Right now we are seeing lower highs, higher lows. It is in the zone of consolidation. It has to give a breakout either which ways in order to confirm a direction. The stochastic rising from the oversold levels. Look at MACD. MACD is still trading bearish. It is still looking downwards. And if you look at MACD, see it is delivering waves here. And this is the third wave. Candle size is diminishing. So it can try to converge, which means couple of greener candles cannot be denied here. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3-hour. Now on the 3-hour chart, see first of all, look at these two candles, bigger bearish candles. Then a gap up. It has erased most of the gains. Now look at these two candles, diminishing body size. This suggests that the prices might try to reverse. Also higher lows are observed. Now higher lows suggest that it has to break on the downside below 2348, 2344 zone in order to confirm further bearishness here. Else it is still not bearish. If you look the movement, you will find, see this was the consolidation zone, and again gold has fallen back in the consolidation zone between 23 40 60, but this time a slightly higher, trying to trade in this channel here. Stochastic has come to oversold, trying to recover, but MACD has little more room for it to continue with the downside. RSI is staying flat, not suggestive much here. Coming to 4-hour chart. Similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. You can see this. This is consolidating the 20 period moving average, giving it a support and acting as a resistance as well. And right now it is very much range bound. Also, if you look at the moving averages, these are running flat. Stochastic has come to oversold. It is, or it may try to recover. The MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading bearish. And see the crossover in MACD has come at a higher level, so it may continue on the downside. RSI is staying flat. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 30th mentorship batch starting today. Hurry up, join this batch and cherish the learning for life with the help of tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups taught and shared in the mentorship batch. You can find out the profitable trades with ease and trade profitably. Do not miss this opportunity. The next batch will only start in the month of May. Else, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram. for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads, which also is a regulated broker and with a global presence where the transactions and the withdrawals are easier. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you'll get the lowest spreads to offer. Now coming to daily. Now see, one thing you should note on the daily charts, it is consistently delivering higher lows here and higher highs as well. Yes, there was a breakout, but after the breakout, it is positioning itself within this. Next thing, which we have already shared several times, the more the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average, the higher the chance of convergence. Now we have seen it here where though the movement or the retracement was less, but it is waited for the 20 period moving average to climb up. This is repeating here, it is waiting for the 20 period moving average to climb. Now the 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands are situated at around 2290 and 2280 zone. So first thing is, if gold breaks below 2344, 2340 zone today, consider that we can look forward to 2320. Yes, if it gives a breakout out of this channel, the breakout is going to be sharp enough. See the reversal here, it can continue with this momentum possibly if it gives a breakout. Right now it is trying to consolidate. May not be today is the day that it gives a breakout. It is possible that it can remain in range for today, tomorrow, and then give a sharp breakout. But yes, a down move is what I will be looking forward to very soon. Stochastic here has dropped. It was trading overbought. Look at MACD. It is still staying overbought. It has tried to converge and see from where this crossover is coming at. This is coming from a slightly higher level. So thus possibility for a slight down move definitely exists for the next few sessions. RSI has also come out of the overbought. Now considering this, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy gold. If you see it is staying above 65 levels, 2365 levels, yes, you can buy here. 2370, 72 as the first resistance, 75, 76 as the next resistance, two very nearby resistances, and then beyond that we will look forward to 23, 83, 85 levels, the next target. If gold stays above 2385, you can say now we are looking forward to a rise above 2400 levels again. Yes, a stronger bullish move can be seen. If it stays above 23, 83, 85 levels, 2400 levels cannot be denied. On the downside, where you should take a sell entry. Now, a selling entry can be taken at 2354 levels, but the safer levels are going to be 2348, 44 zone. So if you are selling at 2358, we have to be slightly cautious. 2354, if you are selling at, you have to be slightly cautious. 2350, 2348 first target, 2344, 45 the next. And if it draws below 23, 44, 45, we can look forward to 23, 34, 35 levels as the third target. Below this, we will target towards 2320, and if 2320 is taken, I will look forward to 2304, 05 levels. If not today, some point of time very soon. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. If you look at the movement in silver, see it has consolidated here for a while before giving this breakout. Now if you look at it, has again fallen back within the zone here, 2750 to 2850. This is the zone we have to be careful about. Any breakout above 2850 should take it towards 2870, 75 zone, or rather I will say 2870, 2880 zone. If you look at the movement, what has happened after the sharp drop, it has retraced. It has come towards the 20 and 50 period moving average, which are almost on the verge of a crossover, which is a selling crossover. So yes, if it shows a crossover, more bearishness may prevail. Now where you should initiate a buying entry, I will recommend you to buy if you see silver is staying above 2840 levels. When you see the lower price is above 2840, you can buy, but then 2860, 2880 is the zone which is going to be greater resistance. And if silver trades above 2880, you can say that the bulls are stronger and we are looking forward to a massive rise. Else, after the drop, it is consolidating and a possible reversal on the downside again cannot be denied. Stochastic here back to overbought. MACD has traded sharply bearish. It is trying to converge. A crossover here is what you should wait for in order to confirm the bullishness. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 2 hour. Look at 2 hour charts. The resistance zone at 2840 is going to be stronger than 2860 and 2880. Very, very strong resistance in between 2840 to 2880 exist. Any point of time achieving these levels, prices may also show a reversal. Right now, if you look at 2 hour charts, after the drop, it is retracing, and I will say rather it is consolidating its position here. What we had seen previously, it is trying to behave in the same zone. So this zone is going to be critical. Now, if you see silver is staying below $28 levels, when you see the higher prices below 28, you can sell. But 2780 is a very strong support. It needs to break if and only if silver trades below 2780. Slight bearishness can be observed. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness looking downwards. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise, on the 3 hour charts, after the drop, prices have converged towards the 20-50 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands. And that is why I say 2840 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm slight bullishness. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is bearish here. RSI is flat. And on the 4 hour charts, if you look at similar observation, after the drop, it is under retracement. It can give a breakout here. Possibility exists. Thus, 2840 is the zone beyond which we can buy. However, 2860, 2880 are two resistances it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. What has happened here? See, whenever you see divergence, convergence. Now it has converged again. In fact, it has moved towards the 50 period moving average. We have to wait for a breakout for a confirmed reversal. If you look at stochastic has come to oversold, the MACD has crossed over, it is trading with divergence, it is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is flat. Coming to daily charts. Now, if you look at daily charts, see, the week beginning candle is a swing candle. Current candle has started with the highs. It has formed a double top, and a reversal from here can take it again towards 27. And that is why I say, even see from what levels we can see a pullback, even if you consider higher highs, higher lows, 2840, 2850, in fact 2860. As long as these levels are there, possibility of a reversal will be high. But if and only if silver breaks beyond 2880, consider that it is not going to come back. Look at the channel in which it is trading. There was a breakout, but again it has fallen back and it is trying to form a support here. The 20 period moving average and the median of the Bollinger Bands are staying far below at 2650, 2680 zone. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green, and see, the MACD has already achieved higher highs here at plus 100 levels. Chances of a bearish cross exist strong. RSI is overbought, trying to cool. So considering this, a buying entry today is recommended at 2840, beyond which you can look forward to. See, as long as 2880 is respected and it is not breached, you have to trail your stop losses with just 10 cents, trailing 2850, 60, 70, 80. And if it breaks beyond 80, you can stay bullish. We are looking forward to a stronger rise. Else, prices may reverse as long as 2880 is not taken. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at $28 levels, but then 2780, 2750, 60 zone. This is the two levels it needs to break. 2780, very, very good support. 2750, 60, the next strongest support. If silver is seen trading below 2750, you can say we will look forward to the next targets at 2720, 2680 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Do watch the next update before the US session. The subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. It has always been a great motivation. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session update.